Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install a new blade or replace a blade on a skill saw, or also known as, I guess, a rotary blade saw or circular saw actually. Alright, so this is a pretty typical size 7¼ inch diameter, and this is also a pretty typical rotary saw or circular saw. And so first thing you're going to do is locate a wrench. You can use a adjustable wrench, or this is actually the wrench that it came with. This looks like probably a number 11 metrics, or I don't know what the equivalent is, but basically you would want to rotate this counterclockwise. And the secret about doing this is that most circular saw would have a built-in way to lock. So this button right here, if you press it down, it will lock that particular nut so that it won't move while you're using the wrench. Alright, so let me show you how that works. Okay, so I am going to loosen this nut right here, but before I do, I am going to press this button right here. So I press it down to lock it so that I can loosen this. So just turn it and completely take it out. Okay, that drop in there. And then you also want to remove this blade holder. So this is what holds the blade in. Okay, so I actually accidentally remove both of them. So this part right here is supposed to sandwich the blade together like this. So this part here actually is supposed to stay in there. So put that back, and then now we are going to carefully handle the blade. Okay, and there's a way for us to insert this or move this. Okay, there you go. So there's a handle here, and again, so this is pretty much the same for all circular saw. There's a way for you to remove or move the cover. And another thing that I forgot to mention that you have to check is the direction that this should rotate in. Okay, so I have the saw plugged in, and I'm going to do a test spin to see how, where is it going. Alright, so I got it plugged in now, and I'm gonna turn it on just for a second to see so it's actually spinning this way. Alright, and so we will match that with the direction of the blade here. So like I was saying, it turns counterclockwise. So clockwise will be here, the counterclockwise will be here. So it actually goes up against your material, whatever you're cutting. Alright, so now I'm actually going to unplug the saw. I forgot to mention that to begin with. Actually make sure that this is actually unplugged so that you don't accidentally turn it on while you have when you're installing the blade. Alright. Okay, so next you would take the cover remover and hold it, and then you would take this and the blade itself and stick it in there. Alright, just like that. And then you would take the other side of the holder and you put it in there. Okay, so first you would want to slide this over so that you'll have full access, removing the cover, the bottom cover, out of the way. And you would make sure that the other side of the holder is already installed in there. That's the other side, has the flat surface right there. Alright, next you would take the blade, again making sure that the direction is correct. So the direction is counterclockwise, which means it's spinning this way. You'll see that the arrow right there showing the direction counterclockwise. And then finally you'll take the last piece right here and you put it on. Okay, and then you'll take the bolt and you will screw it on. Alright, at this time you can actually release this so that you can set it on your table or whatever you're working on. Alright, so next you take the wrench, and as you can see it's spinning. Okay, so as I'm turning this, it's spinning, so obviously you need to lock it. And remember that button right here, so I'm going to press that to lock as I'm holding this, as I'm tightening it. Okay, so my left hand is actually pressing that button, and this one right here tightens it. And you don't need to tighten it more than what this wrench can do. And that's it. Let me plug it in and test it out. Okay, so I got the bolt tighten electrical plug plugged in, and I'm just going to test it out now. So I have it now standing on the bottom cover, and I'm just gonna turn it on real quick. Seems to be working perfectly. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this useful. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.